Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I will show you the method of 11 Labs, how to activate 11 Labs using coupon code. Okay, so you can see there is a screen and I need to log in my 11 Labs account. I enter my credentials of account. So it is going to be login. Okay, on the screen you can see their account has been logged, and after that I need to enter the details like us any random name, and just we need to skip the options. You can see there I just skip all these options. So now you can see there is the main page has been opened, and you can see there is the balance of 10,000 credits. And now I will activate the creator plan on this account. Okay, I enter my coupon here. So after enter the coupon, you can see there is the subscription option, and I need to click on subscribe to creator plan. Okay, the actual amount of this creator plan is $22, and I will subscribe it on my mail on this account. I need to enter the card details. Okay, after entering the card details, I have subscribed the 11 labs. If you need the coupons, okay, if you need the code, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram. You can join my community. Remember that these are paid coupons, so I will provide you in discounted price. Okay, the price of this plan is $22, and we have activated this in very low prices. Okay, we can also provide you ready-made account, and we can set up 11 labs creator plan on your mail, and also you can get coupons from us. You can activate yourself. You can see there is 1,31,000 credits. So the plan has been activated successfully.